As your adventure begins, China unveils itself as a place where time flows in layers, where ancient dynasties whisper from sacred halls and dazzling skylines pulse with modern life. This is not just a journey through geography, but a passage through stories, flavors, and soul-stirring experiences that awaken your curiosity at every turn. Whether it's your first visit or a long-awaited return, China offers a world of contrasts and connections waiting to be discovered. If you're ready to explore the timeless allure of this remarkable land, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an unforgettable destination on our travel journey. Let's begin this incredible adventure together. Your journey starts in Beijing, where history and modernity converge in a seamless dance. The Forbidden City stands proud, a grand reminder of imperial splendor surrounded by neighborhoods brimming with creativity and life. Artists, musicians, and performers bring the streets to life with vibrant energy. Not far away, the Great Wall of China winds across the rugged mountains, a monumental symbol of endurance. Walking its storied path, you feel connected to countless footsteps that shaped the legacy of a nation. Beyond its monumental structures, Beijing reveals itself through the quiet charm of hutongs, ancient alleyways that weave through the city like veins of memory. Here, locals sip tea, play mahjong, and share stories that stretch across generations. It's in these small moments that Beijing's soul becomes truly tangible. Leaving the capital behind, you venture to Chengdu, a city that welcomes you with warmth and flavor. The air is thick with the aromas of sizzling spices, drawing you toward bubbling hot pots shared among friends. Here, food is not merely nourishment. It's an art form and a way to connect. Laughter rises with the steam, blending with the scent of chili and tradition. Woven into Chengdu's rich tapestry is its connection to nature. In the city's quieter corners, bamboo groves rustle gently, and in nearby reserves, giant pandas lounge in serene contentment, a symbol of China's deep reverence for wildlife. Just beyond the city's edges, the awe-inspiring Leshan giant Buddha gazes serenely over river and forest, carved in devotion and towering in peace. Next, the path leads to Xi'an, where ancient grandeur rises from the earth. Standing before the terracotta army, you're struck by the lifelike detail of thousands of silent warriors, each with a unique story carved in clay. This archaeological marvel transports you to an age of emperors and legacy, where ambition took form in stone and the past still speaks through silent sentinels. But Xi'an offers more than history. It offers immersion. Within the city walls, you'll find bustling markets and the aroma of hand-pulled noodles and spiced lamb skewers from the Muslim quarter. Here, cultural crossroads thrive, telling tales of Silk Road journeys and timeless hospitality. As your journey continues eastward, you arrive in Shanghai, a city of electric rhythm and captivating contrasts. Neon signs reflect off gleaming skyscrapers while ancient tea houses nestle between luxury boutiques. Street food sizzles as modern chefs reimagine traditional recipes. At night, the skyline becomes a living sculpture of light and motion, echoing the energy of those who call it home. Beyond the glamour, Shanghai offers moments of serenity. Wander through the classical Yunnan garden, where koi swim beneath arched bridges and silence wraps around centuries-old pavilions. Here, amidst the hum of a modern metropolis, tradition holds its ground. Further south, the journey takes you to Hong Kong, where cultures intersect and stories collide. Skyscrapers stretch skyward as ferries skim across Victoria Harbor. Dim sum carts roll by in bustling tea houses, while tranquil temples hide among the hills. East and west flow together here, creating a cityscape that is both exhilarating and reflective. Take the Peak Tram to Victoria Peak for sweeping views, then descend into hidden street markets buzzing with life. From the elegance of high tea to the simplicity of a harborside stroll, Hong Kong reveals its charm layer by layer. Shifting from urban marvels to untouched beauty, you ascend to Shangri-La in Yunnan. Here, time slows and the natural world takes center stage. Towering peaks, golden rice terraces, and fluttering prayer flags create a serene landscape steeped in harmony and spirituality. Each breath feels like a return to simplicity, an invitation to reconnect with the earth and yourself. In the quiet of dawn, as sunbeams kiss snow-dusted mountains, a deep stillness invites reflection. This is a sacred land where Tibetan traditions endure and nature writes its own poetry. Traveling back into China's historical heart, you arrive in Pingyao. Walking along its well-preserved ancient walls, you're immersed in a living museum of Ming and Qing architecture. Wooden storefronts, red lanterns, and narrow stone lanes transport you to a slower, simpler time where each detail tells a story of cultural preservation and quiet pride. In the glow of lantern light, you might hear the soft notes of traditional instruments echoing from a courtyard, carrying the legacy of generations across rooftops and time. Gliding into Zhouzhuang, the pace slows even further. Known as the Venice of the East, this charming water town is a delicate tapestry of arched bridges, narrow canals, and whitewashed homes. Gondolas drift by under willow trees, and every ripple in the water reflects a moment of peace and beauty. Here, you'll find artists painting riverside scenes, vendors offering sweet osmanthus cakes, and the soft lapping of water guiding your thoughts inward. Zhouzhuang is where the present pauses to honor the grace of the past. As your journey draws to a close, you begin to realize that China is not just one destination. It's an ever-evolving story told through its landscapes, people, and traditions. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the neon-lit streets of its cities, from the whispers of ancient empires to the bold flavors of a family meal, China is a living mosaic waiting to be explored again and again. Each memory becomes a thread in the rich fabric of your experience, inviting you to dive deeper, connect further, and carry a piece of this magic wherever you go. If this journey has stirred your wanderlust, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite moments in the comments below. There's a world of wonders still ahead, and we can't wait to explore it with you.